Good job. Alex. Alex. Good job, baby. Good job. Abby. 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 See her looking for something to play with. And she's going to get mad here because she doesn't have anything by her. She's probably going to start tugging on her ear, getting frustrated, trying to trick Mommy into thinking she doesn't feel good. See if she will go from her butt to her tummy. No? And here comes the whining. No tears, just crying, because she can't reach any toys, and she's getting mad, aren't you?